This 5-minute solution will show you how to change your Twitch account username. You can easily change your Twitch account username. Just follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, open your Twitch and make sure to log into your Twitch account, and then click on your profile and click on your profile photo. And now select the profile tab and scroll down. Under profile settings section, you will get your username here. Now click on this pencil icon to edit your username. And now all you have to need, just enter here your new username. If it's available, click on update, and to confirm, enter here your Twitch account password and click on verify, and your Twitch username will be changed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minutes solution. See you in the next video.